Okay, here we have a question to do with triangles and angles and lengths. So you should be thinking immediately trigonometry. And crucially, we've got right angle here, so there should be some SOHCAHTOA trigonometry involved. And in fact, this problem can be solved entirely using SOHCAHTOA. So you can actually ignore the triangle ABC and just think of it as two overlapping triangles, ACD and ABD. And that allows you to solve the problem. So you've got those two, let's identify them. We've got an orange triangle and purple triangle. So well, in order to answer this question, to find the angle BAC, which is there, we can think of that as just finding this whole angle here, and then we'll just take away 20 at the end. So what are we missing from the purple triangle to be able to work that out? Well, we've got the base, and we've got most of the height. We just don't have this bit. So if we knew the length CD, we could solve it, because we'd have an opposite and an adjacent to be able to work out this big angle here. So we just need to work out CD. Well, let's look at the orange triangle then. Well, we've got an angle for that. We've got the base, or the adjacent. We don't have the opposite. Well, we can work that out using tan, can't we? So triangle ACD, tan 20 must be opposite over adjacent, so CD over 13. Okay, solve that. And we get CD is 4.73-ish. I'm going to add that to the diagram. I'm going to put ... to remind myself that that number is stored on the calculator in its exact form. Okay, now let's look at the other triangle, ABD, or ADB. We can now write, again, we now know the full opposite and the adjacent. Let's identify an angle first. I'm going to call that big angle there theta. So we have opposite is BD and adjacent is 13. So tan theta equals BD over 13. And if you shift tan both sides of that, you get theta is 44.4. Now don't forget to subtract the 20 from that to give the requested angle BAC, which is just this little bit in here. I've identified with the red curve there. So final answer, just take away 20, 24.4 degrees.